In the heart of a dense, lush forest, there lived a humble beetle named Billy. Billy was small, but he had a big heart and a strong spirit. The forest was home to many creatures, but Billy loved one tree the most, the ancient banyan tree. One day, Billy noticed a tiny crack in the banyan tree's trunk. He worried that if the crack grew bigger, it would harm the tree. So, he decided to fix it. Billy worked tirelessly, day and night, filling the crack with mud and leaves. He even asked his friends for help. But the crack just seemed to grow larger. One day, an old owl perched on the banyan tree and asked Billy, "Why do you work so hard, little beetle? The crack is getting bigger, not smaller." Billy replied, "I thought if I worked hard enough, I could fix the crack. But it seems I cannot." The owl looked at Billy and said, "Sometimes, the effort matters more than the outcome. You have done your best, and that is all that matters." Billy felt a sense of relief. He realized that he had done everything he could to help the tree. From then on, he understood that while he couldn't change everything, his efforts could still make a difference. From that day forward, Billy continued to care for the banyan tree, and the tree, in turn, provided shade and shelter for all the forest creatures. The beetle and the tree formed a bond, reminding everyone that small acts of kindness can have a big impact. And the moral of the story is, never underestimate the power of your efforts, for they can make a significant difference, even if the outcome isn't what you expected.